What are you eating, guys?
Jollibee!
I like Jollibee. Who buy you Jollibee? Wow, look at very good, Rox. Oy, ka very good ni Rox. Oy.
Baby,
Oh, very good yun,
Paano
Rox.
siya makanta?
Gamay.
Ako kabaw.
Look, very good. Oy, excuse me.
Ito ba na yun na?
Very good, baby Rox. Oy.
Kami ka ba yun?
Oy, unya, later na mag-play kay nag-video ko. Ayaw, you eat first. After you eat, you can play.
Paano tell this is empty? My Jimmy! You're the living girl.
Tickle my finger.
Are we gonna play after this? Grade 3 na ako sa mga grade 1.
Yummy. You want more rice? You want more rice? Ha? Ay, this one, oh. Let's get Kuya Sean's rice, ha?